Hello everyone, welcome to Shaker History classes. We are discussing prelims PYQs. See the question here. With reference to ancient India, timeline also it is given 600 to 322 BC. Consider the following pairs. Identify this. These kind of questions are so many in our in the past. Region they will give and associated with either river or kingdom or personality, anything can happen. Permutation combination. But identify in history the importance of geographic locations, various locations, because if you know better geography of ancient past, then understanding history also becomes very easy. Let me try to explain you different regions that are associated with our ancient past. Then we can automatically answer this particular question. You can also identify there is something unique in this. It is not about only Mahajanapada. This is the time period of Mahajanapada. But the single question connects with the previous time period also. For example, if you see the name of this Vipas, it's a river. But that river belongs to, that was referred in Vedas. From Vedic time period also, content come. From Mahajanapada time period, content comes. In this way, history, UPSC used to frame a question. In a single question, it used to connect multiple periods. That is also observation you have to make. Now, when it comes to remembering various places associated with the ancient times, draw this one. Indian subcontinent. In this Indian subcontinent, we are talking about ancient past, means whether Pakistan, present day Bangladesh, India, Nepal and Afghanistan. History is going to be connected. That's why geographically I try to make entire Indian subcontinent. When it comes to Vedic period or early Vedic time period, also known as Rig Vedic period, in which place Rig Veda developed means along Sindhu Nadi. The name referred in Rig Veda, the land of Rig Veda, land of 7 rivers, Sapta Sindhva. Sapta Sindhva. So whatever I am discussing here, these are potential prelims questions, and also some of these points already appeared in the exam also. Land of 7, Sapta Sindhva. Sindhu and 5 tributaries. And one more, Saraswati. So these 5 tributaries are referred with different names in Rig Veda, like Vipas, Shutudri, Purushni, Askini. Identify this. These are the names. But what are the present day names? Vitasta. This is modern name, Ravi River. What are the 5 tributaries? Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas, Sutlej. Each and every river is mentioned Rig Veda, but not in these modern names, but these are the names. Identify the options here. Identify here rivers flowing in the region: Godavari, Vipas, Mahanadi, Sarayu river. That means modern names plus ancient names both are mixed here. That is why. Now, in order to understand what is that Vipas, you should have idea about what are the names referred in Rig Veda about these rivers. Vipas means Beas. Shutudri, Sutlej, Askini, Chenab, Vitasta, Jhelum. So Vitasta, Askini, Purushni, Sutudri, and Vipas. Identify this one. So this is how different names are revered. Name and also Saraswati. Another name is Gaggar Hakra. Gaggar Hakra. Now identify potential prelims questions. How many combinations are possible here? Sapta Sindhva, 1 prelims point, and match the following type of these rivers, also another question. Alright. So this is how Vitasta, Askini, Purushni, Sutudri, Vipas. Here in this particular question it is referred. This is early Vedic time period. Now, by Mahajanapada time period, Rigvedic means 1500 BC to 1000 BC. This is Rigveda. From 1000 BC to 600 BC, this is later Vedic. Rigveda, also called early Vedic, later Vedic, then Mahajanapadas. 321 or 322 BC, because after that Mauryan Empire will start. After that Mauryan period. Now the question is referring during this time period various regions and rivers combination. By this time period, Mahajanapada time period, this region came to be known as Gandhara. This kingdom came to be known as Avanti. Below Vindhyas in Deccan region, there was one Mahajanapada, Asmaka. How many total Mahajanapadas are there? 16 kingdoms, 16 Mahajanapadas were there during that time period. After Vedic time period, after later Vedic time period, 16 kingdoms emerged. Gandhara Mahajanapada, Avanti Mahajanapada, Asmaka Mahajanapada. In this region, Kosala Mahajanapada, Magadha Mahajanapada, Anga Mahajanapada, and so on. 16 kingdoms were there. Now, what is the river that flows in this region? Means this is Deccan, Godavari river. You have to have geographic knowledge plus history knowledge. What is this? Narmada river. Whereas one river is mentioned in the question, that is Mahanadi. Mahanadi is in Odisha. But in this region, there is no Mahajanapada. This one. And Kosala is the place where Ayodhya is located. Ayodhya is located on the river Sarayu river. Sarayu river. Now come to the question. Asmaka, Deccan region. Asmaka kingdom, Godavari. Kamboja Vipas. What is this Kamboja? Beyond Gandhara, there is one more kingdom. That kingdom is known as this is. So this is the present day Afghanistan region, Kamboja. So Kamboja is a different location, whereas Vipas, it is mentioned Bias, present day Punjab region. This is modern day Punjab, whereas Kamboja in present day Afghanistan, not matching. So Kamboja, Vipas, not matching. Whereas Asmaka Godavari matching. Avanti Mahanadi, Avanti Madhya Pradesh, Narmada river, whereas Mahanadi Odisha. Kosala Sarayu river. Kosala, Ayodhya is located on Sarayu river. How many of the pairs given above are correctly matched? How many are matching here? Asmaka Godavari matching. This is not matching. This is not matching. Whereas this is matching. How many pairs? Only 2 pairs are matching. This is how you have to remember. And one more element with respect to the regions. Remember, this region, Mahanadi, Odisha region, Kalinga. This also frequently appear in our class, in our examination. Kalinga. Kalinga means Odisha region. Kalinga region, Asmaka region, Gandhara region, Magadha region, and so on. When it comes to Mauryan inscriptions, Deccan is referred as Suvarnagiri. Suvarnagiri. Another ancient classification of the regions, Kalinga, Suvarnagiri, Gandhara. In this manner, whatever names mentioned to different geographic locations in our past are going to appear as form of questions. Remember, in this manner. All right. Thank you. Thank you very much.